A microwave works as an appliance that heats and cooks food by using electromagnetic waves called microwaves. These waves are a form of energy that causes water molecules in food to vibrate rapidly, producing heat. The heat generated spreads through the food, warming it from the inside out much faster than conventional ovens. Inside a microwave, a component called a magnetron converts electricity into high-frequency microwaves. These waves are directed into the cooking chamber, where they bounce off reflective walls and evenly penetrate the food. A turntable or rotating tray ensures that the food rotates, helping heat it uniformly and prevent cold spots from forming. Microwaves mainly target water molecules, fats and sugars, which absorb the energy efficiently. Materials like glass, ceramic and certain plastics do not absorb microwaves, so they remain cool while food heats. This is why microwave-safe containers are necessary to prevent melting or chemical leaching. Most microwaves include settings that control cooking time and power level. By adjusting the energy output, users can gently defrost, simmer, or rapidly cook food depending on their needs. Modern microwaves also feature sensors that detect steam and moisture to automatically adjust cooking duration. Microwave ovens are widely used because they save time, require little cleanup, and heat food efficiently without heating the surrounding kitchen. By converting electrical energy into microwaves that excite molecules, they provide a safe, fast, and convenient method to prepare meals in everyday life. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.